Hey guys, today we're going to show you a few different lighting setups for shooting inside a studio with multiple strobes with a fitness model. Let's get started. Good, right there, good. I want you to bend your knees a tiny bit, right there. Take the knees outside a little bit, perfect, good. Deep breath, exhale. Like that, perfect. In between, relax, so that way you don't wear out your shoulders. When the hands are here, like if you tuck in the fingers here, try to move your hands forward, but don't move them. Shoulders look insane. There you go, perfect. Good, deep breath, exhale. Good, chin down a tiny bit. There, intense. Good, one more, hold it. Ooh, I love the head tilt. Good, turn your face looking out to the side. All right guys, so now we're gonna go down to 3 lights. We have 1 key, 1 fill, and the 1 accent lights. Camera left. I know a lot of people don't have 6 or 7 lights, so this is to make things a little bit easier for you guys. Let's take 1 hand, pull onto the hair. Good, when you pull, turn your face this way. Let's pull from the base, right there. Then let's take this hand. Now lean over body back. There. Good. Rotate to me. Good. If you can you tuck your thumbs under the armpit part and push down? How far can you stretch? There. Good.